If you don't have access to a scanner but need to scan and send clear and readable documents to someone, please don't just take pictures with your phone's default camera, because you'll often get something like this. Instead, all you have to do is use one of the free apps specialized for scanning, available on both iPhone and Android. One of these apps is Microsoft Lens. Again, you can download it for free on the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Once you open it, it opens to a camera view with the Document setting. Bring your document into view, and it will automatically overlay corners on the edges of your document. Once the overlay edges are correctly around your document, press the large circle button. You can either retake, rotate, or move the boundaries. If everything looks okay, you can add more pages if your document is multiple pages. And then, once done, press Finish. It then gives you the option of how you want to save the document to your phone. I would recommend saving it as a PDF to your device. Then you can return to the home screen of the Lens app and press the three dots at the top and press My Scans. You can then find the document you just scanned and press the three dots in the corner and press Share, and then email to whoever you need to send it to from there. If you use an iPhone and don't want to download any new apps, you can also do high-quality document scans with the default Notes app on iOS. Open Notes, press the New Note button at the bottom right corner. Then press the Paperclip Attach button and press Scan Documents. Like Microsoft Lens, it will automatically detect the shape of your document, and once it correctly outlines it, press the white circle to scan it. Press Keep if it looks good, or retake the scan. Now continue to scan the next pages of your document, or press the check mark at the top right if you are done. Your scanned document will be saved inside this note. If you want to email or send this document now to someone, press the down arrow beside the name it has given to your document based on the first line of it. Then press Share, and you can select Mail so that it is auto-attached to a new email draft.